Hi everyone, I am Manoj Kale, Senior Data Engineer at Deloitte USA and also founder of Code Easily community. If you are working in IT from 3 years, 5 years and 8 years, but the way growth you are looking for that you are not getting, whatever salary you are expecting that maybe you are not getting. You may be QA analyst, Tableau developer, Power BI developer, Java developer or any DBA as well or any other IT role. You are working hard, you are completing your task, you are even handling the pressure in your job as well. And it may be you feels your career slow and stuck as well. And the painful part is with the same skill set, people are shifting their career into the next level or for better positioning. So what they are doing differently? They are not just learning random tool, but they are positioning themselves as a high demand career path. Right now in IT, one of the strongest domain is cloud data engineering with AI, because companies today needs the data professional who can work on their system, who can build the system that actually work on the automation by using the AI. And also companies are expecting the data automation and AI driven system. That's why we have created the live masterclass where I will guide you how you can build the data engineering pipeline and how you can fast track your career in a cloud data engineer in just 1 or 2 years. You will understand how you can prepare for data engineer, and in just 2 to 3 months how you can become ready for the 10 LPA to 50 LPA job. You will learn core data engineering fundamentals, in which mainly BigQuery, Dataproc, PySpark, then data flow, Airflow, Databricks by using the AI, that is a GenAI awareness session as well. This is not just a tools. I will guide you how you can build the project and how you can build the real pipeline. So that pipeline and that projects you can showcase in your resume. And also I will guide you to build your resume and how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile as well, and how you can position yourself as a cloud data engineer market and get high paying packages. Not only this, I will help you how you can prepare for the resumes, what actually interview question they ask in interviews for the cloud data engineer, and also their major problem is your negotiation skills. You cannot negotiate about on your salaries. On that problem also I will guide you on top of. Your major problem is not a technical skill, but your major problem is negotiation, and I will guide you on that. If you feel like underpaid, confused and left behind in this AI era, so join this masterclass. In this masterclass, I will show you how you can transform your career as become a Google Cloud Data Engineer and how you can get the high paying data packages in cloud domain. So save your seat and I will see you in your webinar.